When you are vacuuming your pool, why can't you leave air in the hose?
So a pump is designed to draw water, not air. If you leave air in the hose, it draws that air into the pump and then the pump loses prime. Now, depending on your setup and the system, sometimes the pump can overcome that and push that air through and draw water in. However, it's easier without a vacuum hose attached for the pump to reprime itself because it's not drawing water through an additional 40 feet of pipe. When you add that hose to the line, you're adding that much more strain on the pump to draw water through all of your plumbing and then through the 40-foot hose or 35 or 50-foot hose that you have for your vacuum line. And oftentimes what happens is you've left a lot of air in that line and it draws that air into the pump. The pump does not have the ability to bleed that air off and get a full suction of water back going again for you to be able to vacuum. So that's why it's ideal to have that hose full of water before you put it into the skimmer so that you have no risk of losing the prime and then having to go through the hassle of taking the vacuum hose back out, try to get the pump reprimed. You may have to turn it off, add water, who knows what. There's, again, each system is very different. But that's why you really don't want to have air in that line, is you run the risk of it losing prime and then not being able to overcome the hose itself and draw the water in again.